I don't have. I can't run it on that shit. Did you build a PC or something?
No, I had a homie build it for me.
Oh, okay.
And dude,
It's hella nice, right? So you don't.
Hella nice.
So you literally don't even play PlayStation anymore, then?
I don't even play PlayStation anymore.
Oh, then I can't help you.
Jesus Christ, it's made of.
Watch out for the big ass mop that's here, by the way.
Thanks.
That one last corner. I don't know which corner it is, but I'm pretty sure you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, just don't hit it hella hard. And watch the temperature. If it starts to blow up, then it blows up.
Yeah.
Wait, so you have to brake hella hard right before you make like sharp turns like this?
Yes. That way you're coming in like at the fastest speed. Isn't it right here? It's right here. It's not so bad this way, actually. What the fuck? The other way's hella worse.
Because yeah, you're like diving too.
Yeah. Nice. Bottom out. Very nice.
Yeah.
On 2 cars.
Yeah, I know.
I know, worst part too on the corner. That view though. Oh shit. You think this thing has a differential?
I don't think so. Actually, no, it should.
It spins both tires in the rain. It's such a different route this way.
Yeah.
I feel like your car has to try way more though.
Oh, my car?
Like any car has to like you need way more power to go up the hill.
Yeah,
Like,
like incline monsters, they have no issue.
Have you taken the Miata this way ever?
Never.
There's a person there like that. Fuck.
The lady was probably like, what the fuck, these hooligans.
That was a lady?
That was a lady. Rush hour 5 right now.
For shower 5?
Yeah.
Not even the for oh, like what's the other called? Oh, Asian man hella scared. Dude, why do they come up here? Like they're that old, dude.
I don't know. I wish I could answer that.
Damn. This man.
He tames the beast of any vehicle.
Well, some exits are strange.
That's like you come out of the corner, it's like completely uphill.
Yeah, like I think it's just the ratios. They're not happy with like low speed.
Oh, I see. Oh, even like the transmission in the car, right?
Yeah, exactly.
There's a biker.
Yeah, I know. Shit, okay. Not ideal.
Yeah, that was like on a crest too. Huh?
Yeah.
Garbage. There's a car coming.
Thanks.
That was the nacho corner. Already done pretty much, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you gonna take him up? If we're at the end, I wouldn't do it, honestly.
Dude, that sucks. Just right at the end, dude.
Yeah.
Fucking Chandus.
How you feeling?
You
Yeah.
didn't take him up too.
You don't feel like puking or anything, right?
Nah.